In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. Start from your Constant Contact dashboard. In the main navigation, click Channels, then select Landing Pages. This is where you can view pages you have already made and create new ones for signups, promotions, or general information. Next, click the button that says Plus Create a Landing Page. Constant Contact will ask you to choose what type of landing page you want to build. A sign-up landing page is designed specifically to capture new contacts, like email subscribers or SMS signups, and add them to your lists. A custom landing page is more flexible and works well when you want to promote a product, an event, a video, or even create a simple link in bio style page for social media. After you pick your page type, you will choose a template. You can select a pre-designed template that matches your goal, which can save time and help with layout. Or, if you want full control, choose a blank template and build from scratch. Once the template opens, give your landing page a clear internal name. Look toward the top left corner and click the pencil icon, or click the current name, then type something unique. This name helps you stay organized inside your account, especially if you create multiple pages over time. Now it is time to design and customize. The editor is drag and drop, similar to the email builder. On the left-hand side, you can drag in content blocks like images, text, buttons, and videos, then place them where you want in the layout. As you adjust your content, keep your main message near the top and make your call to action easy to see. To match your brand, open the Design tab to set global colors, fonts, and background styling, so the page looks consistent and professional. If you are building a custom landing page and you want to collect visitor information, drag in a form block and configure the fields you need. When your design is finished, click Continue to finalize your settings. Add a page title and description, since these can appear in browser tabs and search results. Customize the end of the URL so it is easy to recognize. If your page is tied to a limited time offer, you can set an expiration date to hide it automatically. You can also add tracking, such as a Google Tracking ID or a Metapixel, to monitor performance. Finally, click Activate to publish your landing page. Constant Contact will provide a shareable link that you can use in emails or on social media, and that covers everything you need to know.